Major annual pilgrimage, right? What's that?
What you doing, you long-haired hippie freak? I'm talking to you, because mine's longer than
I know. Oh, shit. I bet you I got a few more years on you, though.
Yeah. What, age-wise?
Yeah.
I bet you I'm older than you.
Man,
These old guys talking about who the fuck's
all right.
We're old motherfuckers.
63.
65.
Damn!
72.
You win.
Damn it, boy.
72? Shit. So I'm the baby here, then.
Hey, he's right there.
There he is.
Baby bitch.
Baby bitch.
Well, hello, boys and girls. This is Ted, and you are watching Ride with Ted. Hello, how are y'all doing? It is a lovely Saturday morning. Of course, by the time you see this, you won't know that. Today, we are on our way down to Myrtle Beach Bike Week. And we are going to meet up with one of the podcast sponsors, Craig Johnson, with Wild Ass Seats. It's going to be a good day. Going to be busy. Going to do a lot of walking around. Going to see a lot of stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video. And believe it or not, I do not have to stop and get gas. How about that? How are you guys doing today? All right. Hope you enjoyed that last video. That was pretty kooky, huh? Riding around in sand. I gave Sugar a bath last night, so she's nice and sparkly. And as you can see, I got the Zumo back up here. It appears to be working. I don't know. We're gonna find out. That's for damn sure. But first stop is gonna be Dunkin' Donuts. No, there's not one in Charlotte. The nearest one is in South Carolina. Hordes of bikers headed down to Myrtle Beach. If it doesn't see me, if it doesn't turn green, I'm going anyway. Yep, see that? Oh my God. There's a long freaking traffic light. Got a little wet on the way here. Looks like I'm gonna get a little bit more wet. And the weather forecast said it was gonna be nice all day today. How about that? That's Craig's bike.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Finally, how you been?
Good.
Awesome.
Are you recording?
I am.
Hi. Made it to Dunkin' Donuts.
We'll be doing more recording when we get down to the booth. Let me get a cup of coffee, all right?
Yeah, absolutely. Don't spill.
What's that?
Don't spill.
No. Usually I just take the lid off and I guess I said that.
All right, so as you saw, I met with Craig, and now we're headed back over to the rally. And while we were having our coffee and chit-chatting, it downpoured, and my wonderfully clean bike just got all wet. So I'm gonna have a wet ass with my wild ass seat cushion. Oh boy, it is what it is. The GPS is kind of sort of working. When I say kind of sort of, it's doing the navigating and all that, but at the same time, it's not responding sometimes to the it's not always responding to the touch. So we'll see what happens. Fix that. I got the GPS asking me every 2 seconds to recalculate, which is not good. Nice dry roads. Unfortunately, I had my gloves over on top of my GPS, and they're soaking wet right now. Here we are with Craig Johnson at their seat spot. How's it going, Craig?
It's going well. I just got to go for a little ride, so how can it possibly be bad? This is true.
How's things been? Busy?
Show's going all right. Yeah, it starts off a little slow every morning, but it picks up throughout the day, so we're doing fine now.
Tell us about your seat cushions.
What do you want to know, Ted? You know all about them. So what we do, all of our stuff's made in a wheelchair cushion factory. We distribute pressure, get rid of those 2 pressure points before they even start. That's what keeps you from getting sore in the beginning.
Right.
You can also be sore, come and see us, and we can make you not sore on the way home.
Right, and it avoids that fatigue when you're riding.
Gets rid of the fatigue, gets rid of the road shock vibration, takes all that stuff out from underneath you, makes your whole riding experience more pleasurable.
And you know what I noticed? It also doesn't hurt my hips.
That's right, because your body is going into the shape it should be to be seated.
Awesome stuff.
By getting you up off of those pressure points, up off of your seat, we're allowing your body to sit like it should. No pressure points, we're allowing blood to flow through to your legs, your knees, feet. Your legs aren't falling asleep either.
Listen to the man, he knows what he's talking about. Buy one of his cushions now.
Or 2. Your wife need one too.
Right, there'll be links below.
And if she's not with you, she did say, she got a hold of us, sent me a text, said you can get one.
You heard it here first, kids.
That's right.
I would love to, but that stuff makes me nervous.
No, hi, I'm here with Callie. We're here at the Wild Ass Seats booth. How you doing, Callie?
I'm doing well.
Are you having fun?
I am having a
Yeah.
blast.
Are you selling lots of seat cushions?
Yeah, I'm talking to people.
Yeah?
Yeah, making new friends.
Good.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah? Where's your bike?
My bike is at home.
Okay, where's your home?
Minnesota, Brainerd.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're a few miles away from there, but we're welcoming it because there's no snow.
Oh, okay. But you're here in South Carolina,
That's
and you're having
right.
fun, and you're warm, and you're making money.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, and making friends, like I said. And everybody's riding, everybody's happy to talk, and yeah, it's fine. It's really good.
Well, you got some people here who want to buy a cushion.
Yes, so. Better tell them what it's all about.
Yes, I have. It's been a good day. Good afternoon, anyway.
What are you giving away?
A brand new road glide and the trailer.
And the trailer.
And the trailer. It's a donation to help out homeless veterans.
That's a
and
beautiful
single moms and kids.
That's a beautiful thing.
It's just $5 a ticket, so come on down. If you do the special, 6 tickets for $20, you get a free Bike Week shirt.
And you're here all week, right?
I'm here till next Sunday.
You hear that? Here all week.
Come on down. It's a great cause, guys. It goes to help out veterans. Please help out.
It's not biker stuff, but it's still cool.
a good time at the rally?
Well, hell yeah.
Good. Where you from?
North Carolina.
Oh, so am I.
About 5 miles away from here.
I'm about 20 miles from here.
Just as soon as you get across the state line.
There you go. I'm in Charlotte.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm just,
We're neighbors.
I work at Davidson.
Okay. Oh, yeah?
President.
All right. Damn. Where you from?
Oh, right outside of Greenville, North Carolina.
All right. So you're close.
Yeah, we're too close.
All right. Made your annual pilgrimage, right? What's that?
What you doing, you long-haired hippie freak? I'm talking to you, because mine's longer than
I know. Oh, shit. I bet you I got a few more years on you, though.
Yeah. What, age-wise?
Yeah.
I bet you I'm older than you. These old guys talking about who the fuck's
All right. All right.
We're old motherfuckers.
63.
65.
Damn!
72.
You win.
Damn it, boy.
72? Shit. So I'm the baby here, then.
Hey, he's right there.
There he is.
Baby bitch. Baby bitch. Now I gotta be bitch. Love you, man. I love you, man.
That's awesome. Hey, enjoy your fun here, guys.
Have a good one, man.
I want a nice ice cold soda. And if you want to bring your doggy with you, you get this. I don't know if I would do that.
Have you tried those?
Have you?
No.
Would you?
I might would.
Here's Craig, hard at work.
Got more rock in that one.
And we can dial that out.
Time for some lunch. A hamburger, fries. I won't be eating the coleslaw. And a Coke. Check later. All right, so lunch is over. And now I'm gonna head back over to the Wild Ass Seats booth, JP Cycles booth. Hang out there for a little while, and then I'm gonna hit the road. Beautiful day, absolutely beautiful day. Well, that's it for now, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little fun. It was a lot of fun. We're just hanging out with Craig and Callie today down at the booth there, JP Cycles booth, Wild Ass Seats. It was a lot of fun. Walked around, saw a lot of the vendors that was going on down there. You saw it was great. I had a little good time. Had a really nice lunch. So, hey, look, if you're in Myrtle Beach area for Bike Week, stop down, you know. Barefoot Landing is the place to be right now. More things will be happening further down along the Grand Strand all the way down to Myrtle's Inlet. A lot of cool stuff happening, so it's been a lot of fun. It's been I don't know, it's been great. Thank you very much for tuning in, for watching the video, and if you've stuck around this long, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and tell your friends, you know, tell anybody to tune into this, and also listen to the podcast, Motorcycle Men Podcast. That's that thing, and that's it. And I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, boys and girls, you ride safe. Peace out.